Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tommy if you don't know me, and I make videos on how to make money online. In this today tutorial video, I'm going to be sharing with you this powerful website that you can go, that you can start earning money as a student. If you are a student, this video is basically for you. So you just need to go to this website I'm going to show you, set up your account and start doing some job, and you'll be getting paid for it. So stay with me to the very end of this video, and if you really get value from the video guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so that anytime I drop amazing video like this one you are watching right now, YouTube is going to notify you. So make sure you watch it. If you watch this video guys, make sure you try to implement. So let's go to my screen now and let me show you how you can do it.
First thing you need to do is click in the link in the description below. Once you've done that, you will land up you will end up on this interface. She said, people per hour. This website is where you work basically, per hour, and then you'll be get paid for it. So it's more of like Fiverr. It's just like Fiverr. People come to order for services, to buy some services, like create your gig on Fiverr, and when people come there, they find your gig interesting, they buy your gig, and you make money from there. So on this website, they will pay you per hour. So how did you do it? How did you make money on this website? So the first thing you need to do is you need to set up your account, right? So just come right here, you see this sign up, just hit this sign up. Yeah, starting living your work dream. I want to hire a freelancer. I want to work as a freelancer. This is one, you click this one right here. I want to work as a freelancer. Okay, so once you've done that, you hit this, you come right here, set up with your email, your first name, your last name, come right here, your email, then your password, you hit sign up. So after that, they will send an email. They will send an email. So you need to check that email out. So once you've done that, then after maybe some hours, they would like to review your information. So after that, they will get back to you, maybe like 2 to 3 hours. So once you've done that, once you get approved, just come right here, just log in and start. But I'm already verified, so let me just log in. So yeah, so here we are. This is my dashboard right here. So how did you make money on this website? Just come right here. It depends on, you can see there are a lot of works right here, a lot of job that you can do, and people will pay you for it. You can see technology and programming, writing and translation, design, digital marketing, videos, photo, images, business, music and audio, marketing and branding, sales, and social media. So but in this video, what I'm going to be showing you, what I normally do myself, is this one right here, writing and translation and design. This one is easy for me though. So just come right here, you can see this gig. Just come right here, content resume and CV and cover letter, translation. Just create your gig right here, start selling it. But I'm not going to go into this. Let me just show you something. So what you just need to go is come right here, hit search for project. Okay, hit this one right here, then come right here. So what are you interested? You can see a lot of job right here, but you are not interested in this. So just come right here, this all categories. Okay, come right here, come to writing and translation. Okay, hit this one. So it's going to show you all the jobs under writing and translation. So what you need to do now is just find the one that you can do. So like this one right here, website content for speaking, coaching and personal development. You just write a website content on it. So this one right here, surrounding speaker required for few minutes, WhatsApp translator, pitch decker consultant is needed, translator on the ground in Egypt. Okay, sales pitch, and how much is it gonna pay you? It's gonna pay you $82. If you know how to do this, you can just go for it. Let me just find something that I can know you can do. But you can basically do all the things. You can do all, guys. You can do. So I'm not limiting anybody right here. So if you know you can do any work that you can do, just click it right here. So but let me just find something, and then let me show you how you can do this. I need the English to Turkish translation. This one is basically just click on this. How much is it gonna send? $20. So let's open this in a new tab. Okay, we'll go back to that later. Let's open this one also in a new tab. Let's find something else. Content writer in UK, taxation, content writer for TikTok, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook. Okay, website content required. Okay, let's open this one in a new tab. Okay, now let's check those out. Website content for speaking, coaching, and personal development. Okay, let's check out his description. I have a personal development business website for 5 pages, and I require engaging SEO optimized content for the following pages: homepage, bio, speaking, and whatever. So how did you do this, guys? I'm going to be showing you this powerful website that you can do this right there. You can also go to Fiverr. You can hire someone on Fiverr. This person is going to pay you for this job. Is going to pay you £80. So if you go to Fiverr, you can find someone like $5, $10. You pay that person. It's going to write this content for you. Website content. Speaking, coaching, personal development. It's just like article, something like that. So once you've done that, you pay that someone, then send it to you. You copy, you send it to this person. You come right here, you see this send proposal. You enter your personal information right here. Then you send proposal. So if the person approve you, the person will hire you. Once you've done the job, you're gonna get paid for it, £80. Okay, so let me show you the website you can go now that you can do this. This is the website right here. It's called Writesonic. Just come right here. You can see instant article writer, AI article writer, on Sonic editor. This one right here, you can write as long as you want, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 words, and so on and so forth. But this one right here, you can just only create 1,500 words, and this one also. So we have a lot of it has a lot of fixtures, guys, that you can use. So you can see Twitter generator, Quora answers. So you can anytime you have an order, just come right here, put in the copywriting. Just come right here. What are you writing for? No, not this one. Website content for personal development. You can just copy this one right here. You can just write in content for personal development. Just type it right here, then you hit create. Once you've typed it right here, let's just type something. It's going to hit generate. You can see this generate right here, generate article. So once you click this, it's going to generate the article for you. Then you copy the article, you come back right here, send it to this as a proposal, send it to that person. So if that person approve you get paid for it. And this one also, if you don't want to use this, you can also use this one also. This one is iWriter. Okay, iWriter. You just come right here. So then the next one, let's check the next one right now, is this one right here. It said I need the English to Turkish translation. What you just basically need to do, this one is very, very simple. This person is going to pay you £20, right? What you just need to do, you can just go to Google Translator, just send a proposal to this one, so this person right here, just type in my name is so or whatever, just type in your information, send a proposal, right? So if that person gets you approved, then it's going to send you the content you need to translate to Turkish. So once you've done that, just copy the content, go to Google Translator. I don't need to show you, just type in Google Translator, you put it right there. It's going to translate the English into Turkish for you. Then you just copy, come back right here, send it to that person. It's just simple as that, and you're going to get paid for it. So that's how it works, guys. That's how it works. You can look around though, you can check. And moreover, if you are good in digital marketing, like there are a lot of content right here. You can just come, you can just take this. If you are good on doing all this, or like design, I'm still going to show you about design, or like content, technology and programming. You know how to do that, databases, social media apps, programming and coding. If you know how to do, you can just go for it, guys. This website is a great website, and they really paid good money. So the next one I'm going to show you is design. Yeah, you can also come right here, create your gig, and start selling it. But that's what I'm not interested in that. What you just need to do, just come right here, hit this one right here, come down, hit designs. You can see, yeah, lifestyle images of 3 notebooks. This person is going to pay like 20 £20. This one is just simple. You know what I'm saying? Just go to Canva. Everybody knows Canva. Everybody knows how to use Canva. Just go to Canva, design something, okay? But first of all, you need to send a proposal. Just come right here, new proposal. Just type in as you can see, enter your personal details. Just type it right here. Proposal breakdown, just the description. I can create I will create a 4 posts per hour, just something like that. Just type in right there and send the proposal right here. So if that person gets approved, so what that person needs is gonna tell you. So once that person tell you what he needs, then you can just go to Canva, this website canva.com. I'm gonna be leaving on the link in the description though, so just click the link and come right here. You can see Canva. You can do a lot of things with Canva. You can design a lot of things. So just come to Canva, design the pictures, and come back right here and send it to that person. So it's simple as that. So logo and animation, you can use Canva. Okay, you can just go around. The best thing you know how to do. Look at this person right here. So that will pay you 1,200. 3D animation projects, product installation. If you are good in this, just go for it. Send a proposal. Something like the work you've done before. If that person check it and likes your job, it's gonna get you hired. So that is how to do this, guys. So that is how to do this. If you really get value from this video, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button. What that notification button does for you is that whenever I drop video like this one you are watching right now, you won't be missing out, guys. Not forget, guys, if you don't really understand anything, go back and watch this video again. If you are getting any difficulties, just let me know in the comment section below and I will gladly reply you back. Okay, so try to watch this video, implement, so that you can get some results, guys. Don't just watch the video and without taking any action. Action demands, right? Action demands. Watch the video and take action, and I promise you're gonna get a good result. Okay, guys, until I see you in my next video, guys, take care. Bye bye.